If you haven't understood yet, now this is a better image, I guess, to help you explain the attachment of the extensor digitorum tendon. Now, this muscle you're seeing is extensor digitorum. Now, this extensor digitorum at the proximal phalanx is splits into three slips, a central slip and two lateral slips. The central slip gets attached to the base of the dorsal aspect of the middle phalanx. This is the middle phalanx. This is the distal phalanx, and this is the proximal phalanx. Before crossing the PIP, this is PIP. The tendon already has split into three parts. The central band, this is wrongly been labeled. Remember, the lateral band is only reaching till this. This is the lateral band. The two lateral bands join together, having a conjoined tendon, and that crosses this joint called distal interphalangeal joint. And in between these two tendons, there is webbing, and this is called the triangular ligament. These are the parts of the dorsal digitorum expansion. Now, in a lateral view, when you see, this is the central tendon that the talking is about, which has been broken up, right? So at this point of attachment, or this middle phalange, you find the central slip tenotomy. Now, this is going to lead to Boutonniere's deformity or buttonhole deformity. The two lateral slips, they are running out like this, crossing the PIP, then crossing the DIP, and then joining from the two sides at the same point here at the dorsal aspect of the base of the terminal phalange. What are these two? Can you see there are more tendons? These are actually, the two other slips they're being attached here. These are the intrinsic muscles of the palm, including, I told you, the lumbricals, palmar, and dorsal interossei. They also contribute to the formation of this extensor digitoral expansion, because these 12 muscles through the extensor digitorum act on both the IP joints on their dorsal surface.